Welcome to TechFlex YouTube channel. In previous episode, we tried to launch the SQL injection attack to gain the unauthorized access, which is strictly prohibited and it is a criminal offense everywhere. You don't consider it would be safe, you can get away with that. It is not possible because you leave the digital footprints. That's how you can be tracked and you can be exactly identified who launched this sort of attack. So don't do this. This is just for the learning purposes and for you to make your site more and more secure. And if you want to test any system or any website, please always get the written permission. I would strictly emphasize to get the written permission, and then only you launch your attack within that specified time which is mentioned within your documented thing. Okay, so in previous episode we got the access by just typing simple strings. Here I got the username agent. So I this is just a sample application, but it's telling me that you have successfully logged in with username agent and password could be anything, because this is the first part of the query which got executed. Let's try another example, and here I'm typing this. So sometimes you just don't want to gain the access, you want to know the password of this person. Why? Because he might be using another important site which is more secure, and you may not launch these type of attacks, but people usually have same password on all the websites, so that's generally how they do things. So you want to guess the exact password. So here if we look at this specific SQL part which we injected, is the username should be agent and the password. So we are using a substring MySQL function. We just select the first character from the password field and match if it is A. So here we can see the login was successful, which means it is A. Let's try if the second thing is C, second character. So it's failed, it means it is not C. Let's try B. This is just to show you how hit and trial with successes and failures you can guess the password. So yeah, it is B. And the third one, let's try, third character could be C. This is a very common password. So third character is C. So I successfully guessed the password agent ABC. Yeah, so I am logged in now. This time I haven't injected anything and I gain the access, which is really very critical, very important for such website. They just not expose you to your website, but they may expose you for other website. Like as I told you, people usually have this habit of having the same password everywhere on all the platform. So maybe this lousy website is not very protective, this is not protecting your credential, and it is allowing someone to guess your password. So always have a different password. So let's take a quick break and meet in the next episode, where we'll try to drop some items, something from the database which is more dangerous. Take care. Bye.